If you've been trying to figure out how to make money online without becoming the face of a brand, this video is for you. I'm sure you've heard every YouTuber say the same thing: build a personal brand, show your face, post every day, become an influencer. Sure, that works for some people, but who has time for that? The last thing I want to be is glued to my phone, pumping content in the hopes to make money. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 different business models that allow you to make a living online without ever showing your face. Plus, AI is built into each and every one of these to make your business run more efficiently. We'll start with the easiest you can set up in a week and progress to building systems that can run almost entirely on their own. This video is for people who still want the income, but don't want the spotlight that comes with it. And honestly, AI doesn't just make that easier. It made it possible for people who never would have even tried before. People who want to keep their work and their personal life completely separate. People who just want something that works without them having to be the face of it. By the end of this, you'll have one clear, realistic business model you can use to start this week. And stick around until the end, because the most surprising one on this list is a model that almost nobody thinks of. It's produced 8-figure exits, runs almost entirely through a channel you already check every day, and almost no one mentions it. Now let's get started. First up is digital products. Okay, be honest. How many of your friends wrote an ebook? Did you read them? It's okay, we won't tell. You ever wonder how much passive income they make off those? Well, I do. Digital products means we're talking templates, presets, ebooks, Notion dashboards, the create it once, sell it forever model. Even less of a footprint than the print on demand because there's no inventory, no shipping, no face needed to sell these items. Heck, you can even use an alias. The best part? These days, AI can literally build these for you, and automation delivers it. You are making money while you sleep. Let's skip all the stuff you already know and get to the part that the other channels don't tell you about. The create it once, sell forever line is half true. It leaves out that AI didn't just make it easier for you to build digital products, it made it easier for everyone. How can you win a race if we all have access to the same car? Gumroad and Etsy are full of AI-generated Notion templates that all look the same. No one reads ebooks anymore. Yup, including your friends. And presets are built on the same 5 filters. Everything is generic, lacking creativity and uniqueness. Anyone can make one in a few hours. So how does one stand out today? First, you've got to start with what you actually love and know inside out. Pick an audience you understand so well, your friends strategically invite you to trivia night just to carry the team and pretend it was a group effort. Second, sell the outcome, not the file. Nobody wakes up thinking, I need a Notion template today. That's not a personality trait. What they actually want is a calmer week, a business that finally exists, or feel productive while doing absolutely nothing. The template is just the vehicle. The real product is, I'm no longer mentally living in chaos. If you position it right, you're not competing with a $9 template, you're competing with someone's current state of existence. The mechanics are the same. You build it once. AI helps the design, the copy, and the sales page. The product is the easiest part. The hard part is being unique, creative, and earning people's trust. All right, think of that Halloween shirt you wore 3 years in a row to get your money's worth. That tote you don't remember buying, but now it's your Trader Joe's emotional support bag. That hoodie you're pretty sure your ex stole, but you can't prove it. Print on demand. We all know this. T-shirts, mugs, hoodies. AI designs them for you. And there's no inventory to deal with up front, and a third party ships it. Every print-on-demand YouTube video has run this script for years. And I'm not going to pretend this is new information. The model is the same, but the game isn't. A few years ago, you could throw up generic designs in a broad niche, fitness, dog moms or dads, travel, and ride the algorithm into a sweet paycheck. Well, that window has closed. AI has made design effortless, which means everyone's doing it. Broad niches are saturated past the point of being easily winnable. The people making real money right now aren't designing more, they're targeting smaller. We're talking weirdly specific audiences, not fitness lovers. It's more like corporate 9-to-5ers building their side Pilates hustle. That level of specific. I see you, Deborah. The mechanics are unchanged. Customer buys, supplier prints and ships, you take the margin. You never see a product, you never pack a box. AI handles the layer in between. Design variations, titles, descriptions, store copy, so you can spend your time on the only thing that still matters. Building your personal Pilates empire. Well, first, perhaps it's picking the right audience. And for tools, use Shopify in the front end, Printful or Printify in the fulfillment side, Atlas, or Page Pilot for design. If you don't know where to start, I added a free promo Shopify trial link in the description. Narrow down your niche audience first. Everything else follows from there. Affiliate marketing, the sweet, sweet nectar of the social media world. Why work hard when you can ride on the backs of giants? You can earn commission by recommending products you know and love, and bestsellers without ever showing your face. Recommend a product on social media. When someone clicks your link and buys it, you get paid. You can even film the product showing only your hands. Your face never has to appear on camera. And if you don't want to show your hands either, well, you can just use gloves. Now, don't just start throwing affiliate links out into the void, hoping someone finds it like the golden ticket. You want to build a strategy that has a foundation. What worked in the past no longer works as well now. Google's AI overviews now answer most questions at the top of the page. People aren't scrolling down anymore to click your links. Let's not do what everyone else is already doing. The real hack is going after communities that build trust outside of search engines. We're talking Pinterest, email list, and niche communities. You can also use AI to create Pinterest descriptions designed to pull in clicks. And you can have AI write entire email newsletters that keep bringing in traffic and sales on autopilot. You also want to chase subscription models that give you recurring commissions over one-off sales. 5% commission from a $30 product is not going to get you far. 30% commission on a year-long software tool? Now we're talking. Like Norton Antivirus, the Rickroll of software. Is that even still around? But did you know that Shopify has its own affiliate program? Instead of selling other people's products, you refer new merchants to Shopify itself and earn up to $150 for every qualified signup. It's free to join, has no earning cap, and pays out in over 80 currencies. To start, apply at shopify.com/affiliates. Once approved, build a simple blog, YouTube channel, or Pinterest page around starting an online business. Use AI to generate consistent content and strategically embed your affiliate links into tutorials, reviews, and comparison posts. If you want the full breakdown of the Shopify affiliate program, I've linked a video in the description that walks you through exactly how it works. Now, what's your skill? Your talent? What are you actually great at? Have you always been praised for your writing? Maybe you should consider ghostwriting. Here's the sad and hard truth. AI took the cheap end of freelancing. The days of generic blog writers and basic copy gigs are over. Is it scary? Yeah, absolutely. The bright side is everyone can recognize AI's voice now. You open LinkedIn, see a post that starts with, "In today's fast-paced landscape," and immediately scroll past. That doesn't mean the need for real, authentic content has gone away. Founders, executives, and brands see the value of consistent posting on LinkedIn, published under their name. They may not have the time to sit and write a post, and they don't want to just publish blatant AI slop either. Instead, they're paying people to capture their voice and write for them. This could be you. And it's okay to start small here, by reaching out to your network and landing onto 2 ghostwriting clients. Think managers you've worked with in the past that have gone to startups, your former neighbor who started their own coaching business, even that friend who launched their own agency but doesn't have time to post. Once you get into the mix, you'll naturally take on more clients, and that's where this gets powerful. Now let's talk about where AI fits in without losing authenticity. Utilizing your favorite LLM or agent to help with research, first draft outlines, and early edits help you speed up the initial process so you could take on more clients without dropping quality. This gives you more time back to focus on the actual writing itself. Brands aren't buying your face, they're buying the output. This model is scalable, and most importantly, nobody needs to know it's you. Reselling and flipping, as in buy something undervalued and then sell it for a profit. You've seen the headlines: Pokemon cards selling for tens of thousands, sneakers reselling for triple the cost, and the Holy Grail, the One Ring Magic the Gathering card sold for $2.6 million to Post Malone. Now that's a precious card. The market is hot. Shopify's sneaker resale category hit roughly $10 billion in 2025, with projections pushing $30 billion by 2030. Reselling and flipping has become one of the most popular ways to make money. Those limited sneaker drops, viral trading cards are all dominated by professional resellers with bots, automated checkout tools, and tons of money behind them. So how can you compete? Are you friends with Post Malone? You need to focus on a category that you know in a unique way and care about. Vintage cameras, replacement parts for appliances, furniture, out-of-print games, any category where you know more than the majority of buyers. You can leverage AI to help with pricing data, listing copy, and identifying product gaps. But it should be used as leverage on top of your knowledge, not a substitute for it. What actually makes a difference is you. So for example, pick a category you actually care about. Use AI to identify pricing patterns so you know where the opportunity is, and write listings that convert, then list, flip, repeat. If reselling is the model that clicks for you, we have a full video on how to start a clothing resale business from scratch, linked right here. If you're already flipping, drop the coolest thing you've sold in the comments. Did you know you can literally build and flip entire e-commerce stores? You build a Shopify store from scratch, grow it into something that makes consistent, predictable profit, and then sell it for 2 to 4 times what it earns in a year. A store earning $30,000 a year can sell for $60,000 to $120,000. Out of every model, this one has the highest ceiling. First step is niche research. Start by asking ChatGPT something like, give me 10 profitable Shopify niches with high demand and low competition. Then pick something that clicks for you, something you could easily build a real brand around. For example, let's say we land on dog calming vests. My dog Oat has a hard time with fireworks, so I've bought my fair share of calming vests. The difference here is to not cut corners. You still need to build an actual store, generating real profit with real products. But the nice thing is, AI has made the whole store building part so much easier. These days, you can build a fully functioning store in hours, especially if you're utilizing tools like Sidekick. We also have a full Sidekick tutorial that you can check out next, link as always in the description. So keep it simple and build your website through Shopify with the help of Sidekick. From there, you build the identity before anything else. Name, slogan, brand tone, AI can generate all of that in minutes. So your store already feels like a real business with your brand's voice in mind. Once your store is built and your dog vests are flying off the shelf, calming all dogs within its path, and we're making consistent revenue, it's time to flip. I recommend selling your site on flippa.com. It's one of the most popular flipping sites out there. Shopify stores, Amazon brands can all be sold there. And the reason you'd use Flippa for sites is the same reason you'd use eBay for reselling products. The buyers there want to buy. Rather than having to search for buyers, let them come to you. Just make sure you build something that has a proven track record and actually runs. Buyers will immediately tell if your store is legit or not. If this is the model for you, we've got a full breakdown on flipping a Shopify store successfully, linked right here and in the description below. You made it this far, so here's what I promised at the start of this video. The most surprising model almost nobody thinks of. This is genuinely the most slept on model on the list. And the reason nobody talks about it is exactly why we're making this video. I'm talking paid newsletters. Yes, paid newsletters. You pick a niche, build an audience around it, and charge for access, or let sponsors pay to reach your readers. The Hustle sold for $27 million. Morning Brew sold for $75 million. These are email lists. That's it. I wish I could go back in time and tell my younger self to make newsletters. That and buy Apple stock, and maybe even some Bitcoin. The reason most people don't start one is time. Research, write, edit, send every week, forever. AI removes that problem completely. Write in your topic, AI pulls research, it drafts the edition, and you make the changes you need to make it sound like you. You can write a full newsletter in about 20 minutes. You want to be careful how you use AI when creating your newsletters. Like I've mentioned before, subscribers can feel when something is fully written by AI, when it lacks your voice, your humor, your nuances. They unsubscribe faster than Taylor Swift selling out. The newsletters that grow their audiences are those that have a clear voice, an authentic take. They don't let AI get in the way of their voice. This model is naturally faceless. Nobody subscribes to a newsletter because of a face. They subscribe for a topic. Finance tips, tech recommendations, cute pet photos. Pick a tight niche, write weekly, and adapt. Beehive is a great platform to start on as they have a referral program built in. Hit a few thousand engaged subscribers and sponsors pay $500 to $3,000 per edition. Every edition is also a page Google can index. Your archive quietly becomes a search engine working for you while you sleep. And who doesn't want to make money while you sleep? Every single business model in this video has one thing in common. None of them require your face, your personality, or your personal brand to be successful and to sell products. Digital products, print on demand, affiliate marketing, freelancing, reselling, flipping stores, paid newsletters. These are all businesses built on systems, not on you performing for an audience every day. So which one spoke to you? Which model made you think, ooh, that's the one? Drop it in the comments. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to learn with Shopify. Check out our videos where we go in depth on Shopify and the future of AI. I'm Josh Saleh. I'll see you in the next one.